RO membrane. How does it work? What does it do for you? All right, think of a mattress pad. Put a mattress pad down, and if it gets moisture on the top of the mattress pad, it doesn't go through into your mattress. All right, so take that mattress pad and roll it up. All right, slide it in like a map. That's an RO membrane. Except that mattress pad is called semi-permeable. All right, it'll allow water molecules to pass through if they're under pressure. Just sitting on top, it won't percolate through. But you put some pressure behind it, tap water pressure at the tap's enough, all right, the water will be pushed through, leaving behind most of the calcium and magnesium that's in the water spotting agents. So what's the downside of the RO membrane? It has one fatal flaw. It is attacked by chlorine, and the chlorine will break it down. The chlorine that keeps us safe hurts the RO membrane. So we need another filter to put in front of the RO membrane, and that contains generally carbon. All right, in the industry, a carbon filter absorbs the chlorine, leaving the water to go through the RO membrane without the chlorine in it, and now the RO membrane won't die, won't get all holy and all. So you end up with 3 stages of filtration. Carbon filter taking out the chlorine, an RO membrane reducing 95% or so the hard water material, metallic objects in the water, and then your DI resin. This system has 3 canisters: carbon canister, RO filter canister, and the DI resin canister. All right. The water will go into the carbon filter, and then it'll enter the RO membrane. When it enters the RO membrane, we talked about one side washing off. Think of it as almost a diversion filter. Dirty water going out one side, not being able to get through the membrane, and cleaner water going out, it's called the permeate side, the clean side of the RO membrane, to go into the DI.